So this is the first February snowstorm of 2025. Here you can barely see the Royal Ontario Museum, the ROM. There's the museum station. Here's Yorkville Bloor Street. Here's a church. There's all the high-end shops, Louis Vuitton, all that. This has just been in a few hours. Since like 3 hours ago. Look at how much snow there is. Wow. Very beautiful. So there's Louis Vuitton, Tiffany. Look at how beautiful this looks with the snow. Oh, it looks just magical in the snow. And I don't like to wear boots, so Nike Shox basketball shoes, these are perfect for winter, they're waterproof. It feels like Christmas again. It's Prada. Wow, so I wonder by the morning how much snow there will be. So we're going to end this video here. This was just a quick look at all the snow. Thanks for watching and check out my other videos if you've seen this.